Image transformations such as scaling, cropping, or filling of an image can be easily performed in the RCV cockpit. The transformations can be performed either during topic creation or at some later point. One or more transformations can be added to the topic and parameters can be specified. The order of the transformations can also be changed by using the arrow keys. Here, I will add fill. This transforms rectangular images into square-shaped images by filling the additional pixels with the chosen color. Let's save the topic by clicking the Save button. Next, we import a couple of images into the topic from the shared folder. These are rectangular to begin with. The images are transformed according to the definitions during the import process. Navigating to the Label tool, we can now see that the images are filled with the chosen color to make it square-shaped. If transformations were not added while creating the topic, they can also be added afterwards to an existing topic. Let us go to a topic with images. Navigating to Label tool, we see that the images have different resolutions. Let us try to scale them to square-shaped images with 500 x 500 pixels. Clicking Save offers the option to perform the transformation for all images in the topic or only for the new images that will be imported later into the topic. I will say all images. The task will be performed in the background. We can navigate to the Label tool again and observe that the images have now been transformed.